If you have workers' compensation insurance, I think it's safe to say that you don't look forward to your final audit. In many cases, it takes a lot of time. There's back and forth with the auditor. You may not have all your documents prepared. And after all that's said and done, and the time that you take to provide the information, you get a premium audit bill that you might not have expected. So if you're a client of our agency, you know that during your policy year, we send routine emails to help you keep up with what's needed once the final audit comes. We try to help you track your payroll to make sure you're not, grossly over or grossly under projected on what you have during the term. And then we also help to let you know what you need once the auditor shows up, what you need to provide to make the audit as smooth as possible so that you don't owe any additional premium. I'm going to take a minute here to give you 3 ways that you can prepare for your work comp audit so that you ace it and don't owe any money that you didn't expect. Number 1 is to make sure that you take care of the audit, that you comply with the audit in the allotted time. A lot of times we notice that an auditor may be trying to get in touch with the policyholder, and the policyholder's busy, they're running, their business owner, they don't reply in time, and the auditor will turn it back into the insurance company as non-productive. Once that happens, the insurance company is able to bill for non-compliant premium that you may not have normally owed, but because you didn't take care of the audit, now you have this premium bill. Now, even though we can go back and open up the audit and comply with it after the fact, it's just going to cause extra headache. It's going to cause records getting, crossing in the mail. You're going to get bills that you're going to get confused about. You're still going to get requests to pay the invoice. So taking care of the audit in the time that you're originally designated to do so is important. Comply with the audit. Make sure you're in touch with the auditor. If you need additional time, get in touch with your agent or broker so they can contact the insurance company to get additional time for you to take care of that audit so that you're not left with a non-compliant bill. The second thing is that make sure your records are in place. So what I mean by records is your payroll and your tax records. So make sure you have your W-2s ready, your 1099s, your 941s and your 944s for your tax records. And then make sure that you have your payroll records, your payroll ledger, your payroll journals. If you process payroll with a third party, make sure they have all that information handy for you. So when the time comes to provide it, you have it ready, and it's a nice, quick, and easy and simple process. Adequate records and organized records are really important for any kind of audit, whether it's a work comp audit, other insurance audits, or even your IRS or tax audits. Then finally, if you hire independent contractors or subcontractors, make sure you have record of their insurance. You need to prove that they have either an exemption for work comp in a state that allows it, or that they carry work comp. If you don't, in a lot of cases, you're going to be responsible to pay for their work comp insurance because you're going to be liable if they have any injuries or illnesses from the work that they perform for you. So make sure you have all those records handy, the certificate of insurance for your independent contractors and your subcontractors. And that's something that you want to provide the auditor at the time of the audit. So these are 3 quick and easy ways that you can get ready and prepare for your final audit. There are definitely others. And like I said, as a policyholder of our agency, we keep our clients updated to this as the term goes along and before the audit comes due. If you have any questions about this information, you can reach us directly at 858-384-1506 or email me at mike@foagency.com, and I'm happy to assist you as much as possible. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you